High pedigree, very high pedigree from Aaron Markram. Long been recognised as a quality player, but he'll be mighty happy with a plan. Didn't quite time the ball well, so oops! And to think that is Jadeja. Big shot by 17 runs. Wayward and punished. That's hit up in the air, and they should be taken, and it is. Hashid gets the breakthrough with another pace-off delivery. There he goes. Goes downtown and long enough. No, it was coming. Sloppy now. Kuldeep. You've got to stop those. Straight up. And straight out. Stop. Oh, what a shot that is. Just the timing of his move. Oh, he's got hold of that. Slower delivery. Really got stuck into it. Oh, that's even bigger. This goes into the crowd. Wow, what a sound. That's up in the air. An opportunity on the boundary. No, it clears it. Maiden 50 here for 12 Brevis.
Over and a half.
And again, this time, long gone coming underneath it and takes a catch. Well, that's the way he plays. Oh, that's a poor delivery. Gets the treatment. No, that's gone big. And what a way to end the over. 6 coming off it, 12 off the over. Big crowd, finger goes up, Prasid Krishna has it, man. Now straight down the ground. Surely that'll be taken, it is. Arshdeep Singh picks a wicket, there is life in this game. Marco. He'll keep playing the shot. Once more. And look at that, why would you want to run? Why would you want to run when you can find the gaps like that? He just walks in Corbin Bosch. 4 more. Fine legs up inside the circle. He's bowled so well. Archit Rana. Wicket. Prasid Krishna. Goes fine. They'll come back to 2 and the scores will be level. It's not a bad ball actually, but the scores are level with 5 balls left. Yeah, I think the thinking was inside the circle. Prasid Krishna. Down. Beats the man inside the circle for 4. Corbin Bosch has played a wonderful innings to climax a wonderful run chase from South Africa. They win the series is 1-1.